In fact, he went and made an offer on it, and he took possession of the truck. He passed away that very next week. And what Stephen said was, he went and told that he would buy the truck himself. So he's running in the honor tonight of his uncle. He's running in the honor of his uncle tonight. Last night, he laid down a good run, first time ever national truck and tractor pulling. He came in 5th place last night. Let's see what he can do tonight. Stephen Walker out of Reedsville, North Carolina. Let me hear from Stephen Steve in just come here and see Stephen run. Stephen Walker out of Reedsville, North Carolina, his second time in national truck and Stephen, get ready. We're going to do some song in just one more. Again, thank you, Woodall Automotive. Pepsi, WAKG Radio, Red Light, Diesel Engines with a proper repair. Ringo, Auto Company, special thanks to you guys. James River Equipment, thank you. Miles Drug Service, thank you. Upcoming events, the fair coming September 16th.